Hello and welcome to part 2 of my induction motor generator build. As you can see, I've got a control box now. It's an old floodlight box. So if I put my hand in front of it, you can see about roughly how big it is. It's quite a big box. Yeah, two brand new 50 microfarad capacitors there. Switches and that. I've wired it in, but it's a bit messy, but better than other stuff I've done. I'll follow the wire down. And there's a different motor. It's 1 horsepower still, but it's a bit older. It's a Brook motor, made in Huddersfield. I've wire brushed it off, but it'll be painted eventually. Put a new wire on it because it had a rubber insulated wire. Yeah, I think those capacitors are the same as Make Do and Men uses on his induction motor generator. On eBay they was. My friend gave them to me in exchange for the other motor, the old GEC. I'll probably be having that one back though. So I'll turn it round. You can see the control box. I've got 2 Bakelite plug and a switch, a 5 amp switch from a light. Took ages to clean the paint off them, they was painted white. Backed with a bit of beech board that I just cut and sanded off. So that's going to be varnished. So basically this one I'm going to set up for running lights off at shows. It's only 5 amp, it will run lights. But you can see this one. This is a 15 amp. It needs a bit of cleaning, but it's alright. And there's a 15 amp plug and another plug socket. I'm going to probably mount that on one side so I can run more powerful stuff off it if I want to. So that you undo, and that's for screwing in the earth. All the earths are screwed to that one, or wired up to that one, so I can earth it in the ground. 2 switches, 1 for each capacitor. I can switch them in and out as I want. But I've had the same problem Make Do and Men had, which they welded together. So I've freed them up, but they're not very good. So I'm gonna have to. I'll probably change the switches around for the same ones, but I'm gonna have a voltmeter and amp meter there when I can get them. So I'll probably use that for them, and have a different switch or more powerful switch for them capacitors. So that switch there switches in that one. I'll probably have another switch for the 15 amp ones. So yeah, should be right. So I'll just start it up a minute for you. I'll put the camera down. So I'll just switch the one capacitor in. Bit of belt slippage, another capacitor. Isolator. That's a 500 watt halogen light. I think it's a bit over voltage still, but it works. Mr. Z don't like it too much. Oh, I throttle a little bit. There we go, just the governor. Picked up a light. Hear the grunt in the generator. Yeah, the belt's slipping a little bit. The belt's a bit too small for the pulley on the motor. So. You're just freewheeling. Quite a load. So I'll just switch off the light. You got switch, one capacitor, two capacitors. And stop the engine. So there it is. For the next video I'll have it a bit more tidied. I'll probably have the box mounted like so on the engine, sort of like that, on top of the generator. So yeah, thanks for watching.